Reports and research papers typically include information that you can find in other sources, and these sources must be credited. Within the report text, numbers mark the location of notes which contain information that expands on the topic being discussed but does not fit well in the document text. This number, called the note reference mark, can refer to footnotes which are placed at the bottom of the page or endnotes which are placed at the end of the document. To insert a footnote, position the insertion point where you want to insert the footnote reference and then click References and Insert Footnote. So I'm going to insert a footnote, and I want the note reference mark to be at the end of the fourth paragraph, which would be right after the word discussion boards down toward the bottom of the screen. I then click References. I click Insert Footnote, and I will be brought down to the bottom of that first page in the note pane, and I can type in whatever the footnote would be. In this case, I'm just going to say, this is footnote text. So the footnote text is shown at the bottom of the page with a little 1 to the left of it. That 1 corresponds to a small 1 at the end of that fourth paragraph, which is the note reference mark. So that's how you insert a footnote into a document. As with the header, footnotes need to be formatted separately. For example, the document, as we noted before, is Calibri font size 11. If I scroll down to the footnote and highlight it, you'll see that the footnote is Calibri, that's the default, but default font size for footnotes are 10 as opposed to the text, which is 11. So once I highlight the footnote, I can change it to a different font if I want. So let's go ahead and change it to, how about Brush Script MT? And normally your footnote would stay size 10, but for the purposes of illustration, I'll just go ahead and make it size 18. And you can clearly see the text of the footnote is a larger font size and a different font than the rest of the text. If you want to delete a footnote, you have to delete the note reference mark. So again, there's the footnote at the bottom of page 1. If I click in the note reference mark and hit the backspace key to delete it, the reference mark is gone. If I scroll down, you'll see that the footnote is gone as well.